Tired of spending hours formatting slides, wrestling with layouts, and hunting for the perfect font? Generate a stunning presentation in minutes with Gamma AI. Here is exactly how. I will walk you through the entire process, from choosing a prompt to generating your final deck. Let us dive in. So let us start where you always start, right at the Gamma website. You're going to head over to gamma.app/create. That is the main dashboard where all the magic happens. The page might look a little busy at first, but that is a good thing. It is full of options designed to get you moving fast. Now, instead of staring at a blank page, Gamma gives you a ton of example prompts to choose from. This is the part that saves you so much time. You do not have to invent a topic from scratch. Just scan through those example prompts and pick one that matches what you need. If you are pitching a new product idea, there's a prompt for that. If you are explaining a complex concept, there's a prompt for that too. Once you find the right one, click on it. This seeds the entire project with the right direction. And here is the really important part. After you pick your prompt, you will see a button that says Generate Outline. Click that. The AI is going to take your chosen topic and build a logical structure for your slides. It might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. Within seconds, you will have a full outline with section headers and bullet points. But do not click Generate Slides just yet. This is where you step in as the director. Double-check that outline. Read through every line. Does it capture everything you wanted to say? Maybe you need to add a slide about budget, or maybe you want to rearrange the order of a few sections. This is your chance to shape the story before the visuals are locked in. Take 30 seconds here. It saves you 10 minutes of editing later. Once the outline feels right, go ahead and click that Generate button. The AI will now build out the full presentation with layouts, images, and placeholder text. Watch it fly. This might take a little while, depending on how long your deck is, but it is usually pretty quick. All right, so now the slides are generated. This is when the real fun begins. You want to review each slide and make small tweaks. Maybe one image is not quite on theme. Click on it and replace it with a better one. Maybe a block of text is a little wordy. Trim it down. The goal here is not to rebuild the slides from scratch. It is to polish what the AI already gave you. Think of it like putting the final coat of wax on a car. The hard work is done. You are just making it shine. Now, pay attention to this one. After you have edited the content, you will want to customize the overall design. Look for the Themes or Design button. From there, you can adjust the color palette to match your brand, change the font to something more professional, or swap the entire theme with one click. This is where Gamma really shines. One click changes your whole deck from a generic template into something that looks like you spent hours on it. And finally, the export and share step. When you are happy with everything, find the Share or Export button in the top right corner. You can download it as a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or share a live link with your team. I personally love the live link option because it keeps all the animations and interactive elements. Plus, if you make a change to the Gamma deck later, the link updates automatically. No more emailing version 12 of your file. So there you have it. From blank page to professional presentation in just a few minutes. I have used this workflow for dozens of projects, and it saves me hours every single time. The key is to let the AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategic edits that actually matter. Give it a try on your next project and see how much time you save.